Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into collision. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Knock, which means a blow or collision. Knock. For example, the casing is tough enough to withstand knocks. Number 2. Accident, which means a crash involving road or other vehicles. Accident. For example, 4 people were killed in a road accident. Number 3. Smash, which means a violent collision or impact between vehicles. Smash. For example, a motorway smash. Number 4. Hit, which means an instance of striking or being struck. Hit. For example, he took a few minutes to recover after a hit from behind. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.